Hi friends, this is a preparatory session for tomorrow what you are going to learn on our basics of Python session. So we'll start regularly now. I'll be informing you on the which day of the week what topic we'll take. But tomorrow in a Monday 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time we'll start with basics of Python. Just a quick introduction to the Python and then we'll move to understand the variables of it. Let me just explain to you a bit the platform we'll be using. We are using Colab platform. So why Colab? Yesterday we have already discussed that. Colab is Google's cloud platform. So you need not have to prepare anything. You just need a Google account. A simple sign up for the Google. You must have a Gmail account. Use that account and go to Colab. The entire source code you can download and run it in your cloud platform or in your Colab platform by logging into your Gmail account. So that way no need to install or a confusion, this is you are getting error message or somebody else is working and all, and you can easily share the files whatever you generate at the end of the session or the tutorial. So we can discuss more on that. So that is why the Colab platform I prefer for the beginners and those who are starting with the Python. It is not necessary that you must use Colab. If you are using Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or any other integrated development in environment or IDE, you can use that also to run out the simple Python codes. So for the beginners, for when you are multiple people are working, we can share the files and all. There the Colab helps us a better. After all, Colab uses the Jupyter notebook. If you are working on Anaconda environment or any other IDE, you can download those files and run it in that. Even you can download a .py file and run it in your Visual Studio Code. So everything will work fine. Now let me just give you a little introduction of the Colab file, what we are going to use tomorrow. So let's go to our Colab. Here we are. Now you can see this is a Colab file we have. Now this V2, this version 2 means this file. The link at the, you can get this entire file, all the file links at visiting this URL. You see this URL, it will be available to you, and scroll down, at the end the GitHub link is there. Here it is. So two files, both are same. One is with the solutions, another is only with the questions. So you can try your solution, and at the end you can refer to this also. So let me just open the question and solution. If I'll click this, I'll be going to GitHub. So it will take me to the GitHub, and you will the source code you can download to your system. So entire thing, here it is. Now here is a button open in Colab. What I am doing, I can click and go to my system. So what I will do, I will just click this. So now it will take me the entire source code and open it in your Colab platform because you have logged in as your user. So just click the button, nothing to do. So entire the file is available. What you will do once you run it, it will give you a warning message that it is not authored by Google. So what you do is file, save a copy in Drive. You can keep a copy in your Drive or wherever you want. You can download it also. So all the history here is a download as Jupyter Notebook or IPYNB or .py file. Then the source code is there available with you. You can individual what you have organized in this way. So all the questions will be here. So there are two type of cells are there. One is a text and one is a code. We'll run the code. Here it is. Say if you want, what you will download is maybe this one, the V2. If you download, only the text cells will be there. There is no solution cells. So what you have to do is, so print hello world say. So this is a text cell. Below that I will add the code here, code cell. So I will write it here, print hello world. So what happened now, I can just run this. So first time I am running, it will allocate, here you look at it will allocate the server and all, it will take me time. So now it will give me the output like that. All these are the things what tomorrow we are going to discuss it in our session. So these are see here, it has given me the output. I can close the output also, run it. See every code I can run. This text is like a commented one part. So these are, take it as this is as a question and this is our answer. So this question and answer what we are going to learn tomorrow. So you can see all these points is mostly about the variables. here what is the type of variables and how what are the rules you will follow, and you can easily always download this source code and try on your own. So this is just a test session preparing for the tomorrow's again 7 p.m. we'll join, and hope you will like it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and put your questions also. So far there is no questions right now, so you can put your questions, so we'll discuss. And note that we are starting from the very basic, so this is for the beginners. So you tell your friends also, those who are starting now, they can also join, and as a beginner to the Python they can do. And later in the week we will take up our sessions on say web programming and database management or Kinter window. All those stuffs we will take up, and for that sake, my request once again to you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified all the time. And please don't forget to share this with your friends who will be benefited by this. Thank you. Hope you will join me tomorrow for the live session on Python basics, and we will be discussing on variables.